Okay, I'm going to mute you, everyone, all of you. Okay. Then I'm going to start our class. Get ready, take out your notes, diaries, pencil, everything that you need right now. Open page number 9. On page number 9, you see that we are going to question number 2. Write these as tenths or hundredths fractions. So in the last lesson, we learned about how we look at our value, where our tenths value is placed, and where is our hundredths value placed. So you can see in A part, I have 0.5. This 0.5 means 5 is placed on tenths place. So now what I have to do in this question, we have to write these as tenths or hundredths fractions. What are the fractions? We have to write it into 10 equal parts or hundredths equal parts. So I'm going to tell you how we are going to do these parts from A to H, how we are going to do this. So now I'm going to start. Again, I'm going to tell you that how we start doing your work. The 0.5 for after point, first value comes, that is on tenths place, and the other one is the on the hundredths place. And before a point, the first value is on units place, and the next one is it is on tenths place. So I'm going to give you example on the board. Look at the board, everyone. I'm going to write one value here, that is 38.96. So 38.96, we are going to read, how we are going to read it. We want to know the place value of these numbers. So the first one is 3 and then is 8. After point, we have 9 and then 6. So first I'm going to tell you this 6 is placed on which, this value is placed on hundredths value, and we are also going to find this one, and also I'm going to find this one, and also this one. So this is unit. This is what? Unit. That is only 8. And this one is tens. That is 30. Now, after point, the first value which they are given to us, that is 9, and it is on 10th place. 10th place, that is 9 by 10. The next one is 6 value, that is its place is hundreds. Hundred, sorry, 6 by 100. So how we are going to solve our parts, that is given on page number 9, question number 2. A part is on A part, you can see they given us 0.5. So how we are going to solve it? They are saying in this question, you have to write it into fraction. Write it into a fraction. So how we are going to write it in fraction? You can see we have a 0.5. After 5, sorry, after point, we have the digit 5. So 5 place is 10th place. So how I'm going to write this one after this value in a fraction? So 0.5 is equals to 5 by 10. The answer is 5 by 10. Why we write 10 here? Because it is on 10th place. Because it is on 10th place. Now I'm going to solve the other part for you. That is H part. I'm going to solve H part of this one. That is 0.77. So we can see we have two values after point. The first one is on 10th place and the second one is on 100th place. So we are going to decide from here. The after point, the first value is 10th and the next one is, this 7 is hundreds. So I'm going to write 100 under 77. So the fraction is 77 by 100. The fraction is 7 by 100.
Teacher, which page?
Page number 9. Arshman, mute your mic.
Teacher, question number 2 करना जो.
Yes, beta, it's question number 2. Now I'm going to do question number 3 of same page number. Everyone mute your mics, please. That is 4 by 100. 4 by, first one is 4 by 100. So first we are going to see what they are asking in question number 3. In question number 3, we have to do what? Write these as decimals. Write these as decimals. First, we do what? We have a question written in a decimal and we have to move it into a fraction. So how we are going to we have to do decimal. 4 by 10. So 4 is placed on which place? It is placed on place. First place 0, 0.4. The answer of this fraction in decimal is 0.4.
0.5, nothing needed to 0.
Now I'm going to do the next part for you, that is H part. H part is 65 by 100. So how we are going to write in a decimal? Look at the board, everyone, carefully. How we are going to write it into a decimal? Writing in a decimal, first we are going to write a decimal, and we know that 65 is placed on hundreds place. So first I'm going to write after 0.6, then I'm going to write so we know that this 6 is placed on 10ths and the next 5 is placed on hundreds place. So how we write it into a decimal? We write it like this, 0.65. Fine. Now we'll do question number 4. That is on the same page number 9. Question number 4. So how we are going to start question number 4. What they are asking about in it, they are saying write these as decimal. Write these as decimal. We have to write it into point with into points. The 7 sorry, the A part is, that is 7 10ths. And the next part is H part. I'm going to solve for you. That is 78 hundredths.
टीचर आप बी सी
तो-
एंड डी क्यों नहीं करवा रही?
Beta, you will do these questions by yourself. Okay, I am just going to give you one example for every question. Other parts you will do by yourself. Okay. So in question number 4, what we have to do? Write it into decimal. Write these as decimals. 7, 10, 8. So how we are going to write it in a decimal? First, we are going to write decimal, that is 0 point, and they are saying write on 10th place. Write on 10th place. We know after point the first value is 10th. So I'm going to write first 7. So it becomes what? 0.7. Now turn off part H. Seven 78 hundredths, that is how we are going to write it into decimal. First, I'm going to write a decimal 0.78. 8 will become on hundredths place. So first I'm write 7, that is 10th place on 10th place, and 8 is on hundredths place. So the answer is 0.78. Everyone is done?
Yes, teacher. That I have done.
Ashman, please mute your mic. So now I'm going to turn on page number 10. What we will do on page number 10. Come on page number 10, everyone.
Page number 10. Page number 10.
We are going to move on page number 10. What they are saying to us on it. They are saying by using multiplication and division by 10 and 100. Multiplication and division by 100 and 10. Now what we have to do in this page, we have to do multiplication and division by 10 and 100. By 10 and 100 only. So how we will do, we are going to read these lines. First, we are going to start our exercise. Follow these rules for multiplying and dividing numbers by 10 and 100. We have to follow the rules for multiplying and dividing numbers by 10 and 100. You can see to multiply by 100, we are going to learn what is the rule of to multiply by 100. Move the digit whenever we do multiplication with the 10. What we do? Move the digits one place to the left. One place to the left. So you can see 4.85 multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. So this point goes on the left side. Okay, this point goes on the left side. If I have 1 0, it moves one digit. Okay, it will be move on one digit. So when I do multiplication, 4.85 multiplied by 10, it moves to the left side. So it becomes 48.5. It becomes what? 48.5. I'm going to do one question for you from the exercise, that is answer these. The first part is 0.8 multiplied by 10. So as with the help of rule, we are going to solve this part. In the multiplication, we have a rule: move 1 point to the left, move the digits 1 place to the left. With multiply by 10, now if I move this point here, what I get answer is 8. The answer is 8. I'm going to do on whiteboard. Look on the board. The first question is 0.8 multiply by 10. So how I'm going to do this one? 0.8 multiplied by 10 is equals to, we know the rule of multiplication. The rule of multiplication is that we move this decimal to the left side. We move this decimal to the left side. And how many zeros we have? We have 1 0 here. So I move 1 digit. I skip 1 digit. So if I skip 1 digit, I get 8. Only 8. Now going to do next part for you. The next example is that is C1. On C, you can see 35.6 multiply by 10. So how I'm going to do this one? Again, we apply the rule of multiplication. We know the rule of multiplication is, that is, move the 1 digit to the left side. Move one digit to the left side, or point moves 1 digit, okay, to the left side. So how many zeros we have in this question? We have 1 0. So we skip the 1 digit and our point moves here. So it becomes it becomes 356. Now the next part I'm going to do for you, that is alpha.
36 आना है या 35 and 6 आना है.
And now it becomes 356. Okay.
Okay.
So L part is 47.01 multiply by 100. How we are going to do multiplication with 100? First, we are going to learn its rule also. What is the rule of multiplication? Multiplication of with 100, okay? So, to divide by, to multiply by 100, move the digit 2 places to the left. 2 places to the left. Now you can see here 1.74 multiply by 100. If I do multiplication with 100, I have to move 2 places to the left side. My point moves to the 2 digits. So to the left side. Now you can see 174.0. It becomes what? 174.0. So how we are going to do this one? The H part, sorry, L part that we are doing on the board. 47.01 multiplied by 100. Same rule that we use on 10 multiply by 10. Simple is this. With when we do multiplication with 10, we move only one digit. We move only one digit. So in multiplication by doing multiplication with 100, we move two digits. We move two digits. Our point will move on 2 digits, skip 2 digits. So after point, first I'm going to write the values before point, that is 44. Now now move this decimal 2 places. So how many zeros we have? 2. So I'm going to move this point after 2 digits. So first I'm going to write 0, then I'm going to write 1, then point, and you can write in the end 0. It becomes sorry 47. This is 47, not 44. So it becomes 4,701.0. Yes, Tuba.
टीचर में जना क्वेश्चन 1 की समझ नहीं आई.
Okay, I'm going to tell you again. Listen carefully, everyone. When we do multiplication, multiplication with 10, this decimal moves the one digit to the left side. This decimal move one digit to this side. So it becomes only 8. And when we do multiplication with 100, we move 2 digits placed to the left. We move 2 digits. I'm going to skip 2 digits and my point will come after 1. You can see I write point after 1. So, okay, class, write your diaries first.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर.
Yes, one is Namita.
टीचर पार्ट 1 का कौन सा आप करवा रही हैं? उसका एफ पार्ट कौन सा है? इसका आंसर क्या आएगा?
Question number 1 on page number 10.
Yes.
F part. The answer of F part is 83.5.
Thank you.
Write your diaries first, everyone. Everyone, hurry up. Anyone who want to ask a question, raise your hands, please. Any questions? Smaha, Arshman, Tuba,
No.
any question? Salar, done your diaries, everyone? Ji Salar, any question?
Okay. I have done diary.
Very good. Any question, Salar?
Very good. I have done diary.
Very good. Tuba, any question?
No.
Smaha, any question? No?
मम्मा
जी
हमें
Arshman,
हमें तो अपनी आवाज नहीं आती लेकिन टीचर को कैसे आती?
Ji Arshman, do you want to ask any question? No? Unmute your mic, Arshman. Ji Arshman, did you get all the points?
Yes.
Very good. Now you have to do done your diary, Arshman. Very
Yes,
good.
teacher,
Now
I've
you
done
have
my
to do
diary.
these parts by yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'm going to ask one question from any student, one by one. Okay. So first, I'm going to raise the board. Arshman, please tell me the answer of this one. That is part B on page number 10. 9.1 multiply by 10. What will be the answer? You remember the rule of multiplication. Use the rule of multiplication. Then tell me what is the answer. Tuba, I will ask you after Ishman. हमारा पॉइंट जोन से कितने डिजिट्स को जंप करेगा इश्मान? जब हम 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो कितने पॉइंट्स जंप करेगा, कितनी वैल्यूज को जंप करेगा 10 में?
9
9 टाइम्स जंप करेगा। जी तुबा, टेल मी द आंसर ऑफ दिस वन।
teacher 9.1
Yes, what is the answer of this one? Where if we multiply by 10.
teacher 9/10
No, 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 no. How many zero I have here?
1
So how many times my decimal jump?
एक जंप
1
One
one
time
time.
to the left side. One time to the left side. So it becomes what? 91.0.
0
Yes. You can also write it 91, only 91. Okay, if I do D part, that is 0.42 multiply by 10. What will be the answer, Duba? Where my point moves?
teacher 0.42 0
No, no, 0.42. It's 42, not 42. Okay. Points के बाद जो value होती है हम उसे अलग अलग पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है? 42. It's 4.
0.420
Yes. By doing multiplication with 10, I have 1 0 here. So my this point jumps, one time jumps to the left side. This point moves here. So it will become 4.2. That is 4.2. G class, everyone get the points or not? Smaha, any question, beta?